Hey guys, what's up? It's your girl Simone Sharice, and today in this video, first of all, this whole entire look is different for me, but I was kind of forced to do this look, and you'll see as you watch the video. So this video was pretty much me turning a negative into a positive, and I think I did a really good job doing it. So let me know what you guys think down below. You'll see as we go through the video how we started off versus how we finished, okay? So let's get started. Guys, so today's wig is from YSwigs. Now, remember how I told you how I turned the negative into a positive? Yes, this lace was way too dark for my skin. It was very obvious, and it was just not gonna work for me. Now, don't be discouraged. If you do like this hair, I was told from the company that I can order a lighter lace. So this kind of was like a little mistake, but don't worry. I was able to fix it and turn it from a negative to a positive. They were able to answer my questions for next time around. Now I was trying to figure out where I was going to get started and how I was going to turn this into a positive. I've kind of been in the mood for bangs, so I kind of said, you know what, let's go ahead and go the bang route. We want to cover the lace. And to get started on that, I immediately started hot combing the hair going forward. This kind of helps if you want to get the hair to start going in the direction of the bang. So go ahead and start hot combing forward. Try to get that middle part as flat as possible. When I say middle part, I mean the middle of your head as flat as possible. Next, I went ahead and flat ironed the hair that I wanted to leave out for the bang part. Then I went ahead and started to part it in a triangle. So I kind of went to the direct middle of my head and started to create a small triangle. When you do a bigger triangle, you're going to have a lot of hair and a very wide bang. And I kind of didn't want the super wide bang look. So next, I went ahead and cut the bang. Now, I did it super long so that you guys can see that it's kind of smart to do this in kind of like increments rather than going short immediately, because you don't want it to be too short and you're screwed. Now, this cutting technique, I got this from another YouTube video. I will have the link down below, and this is his cutting technique for cutting bangs properly at home without it being too blunt and with it being nice and even and just falling perfect. I believe his name is Sam Villa. Yes, that might be his name. And he cuts hair amazing. I'm going to cut my bang a little bit shorter just so that it falls the way I want it to fall. And here you have it. I loved it. I thought it was so cute. Now I'm going to go ahead and just start perfecting it. And when I say perfecting it, I'm going to flat iron my bang, bump it a little bit, and then I'm going to flat iron the hair as straight as possible. So the hair to me was actually nice. It was soft. It was silky. It didn't feel any kind of way. I did like the color. I did actually like the color. But I love the color actually. But the hair was actually really nice. So I will say, other than the lace, the hair did come out really nice. After that, I went kind of into just making it nice and neat. These last couple of motions are just me just going back and perfecting it as much as possible. I don't like my bangs to be super curled under, but I like it to have a little bump so that it kind of falls nice and it's not just, straight bangs. So I'm very particular about bangs. So clearly I was able to save the situation. So I think my bang kind of came out good. I didn't know where to start. You guys, I was so lost. But it came out really good. So I just have hair everywhere. But what I'm going to do now is I am going to actually hot comb my hair just to kind of flatten out the top. But this hot comb is really hot and it's like trying to melt my hair. Next, I'm going to go ahead and just go into my eyes. I wanted it to be a little dramatic. So I used the Fenty Beauty eyeliner to kind of just add a little bit of dramaticness. I didn't do too much, but I did enough to give me a little bit of a statement. Next, I went ahead and applied some natural looking lashes, well, natural / dramatic lashes from Lash by Sade. Love these mink lashes. They're amazing and they kind of give me a natural look. So I used this eyelash glue. It's not hair glue, guys. It says eyelash on the bottle. And I got this from Sassy, and I love their eyelash glue because it lasts all day long and does not feel watery. So I kind of just put that on my eye, and that was pretty much it for my finished look. I think it came out pretty damn good. Oh wait, I lied. I used some mascara to just put on the bottom of my eyeliner, my bottom lashes. And then now I'm done. So thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, my loves.